Hello, this is Chris Roshnod. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and I am 24K on Twitter. Today we're going to unbox the Aukey 10,000 mAh USB-C power bank. This has power delivery 2.0 and Qualcomm quick charging 3.0 technology. So inside the box you get this thin battery, which we like. We like thin, high capacity batteries. And here are your two ports right there. So one has QuickCharge 3.0 and the other one is AI enabled. And then this one is your USB Type-C power delivery port. So right there. And then you have the side charging port for the battery as a micro USB port right there. And then right here it shows you the charge level. So that's a completely full battery right there. And this is 10,000 milliamps. You can find this product on Amazon. And this is from Aukey. Thank you very much.